I'm going to show you how to set focus mode time in macOS. First, we have to open up system settings. Here it opens up in general. From here, we just click on focus in the left bar. Then we click on do not disturb. Then under set a schedule, we click on add schedule, and here under time, we click on time, and then we can select from let's say 20 p.m. until 7 a.m. and then we can set the repeat as well. Let's say it starts on Friday, and then click on done, and here we will have the time for our do not disturb focus mode. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.